There are so many products out there for babies and kids, and it can be so overwhelming. But don't fret, the Metro Moms have done the research, testing, and reviews, and they're here today to share the newest top picks for moms and kids. And of course, it's our friend Barb, the fabulous. Okay, so we're going to start with this big boy over here, right?
This isn't that beautiful.
It is
this
gorgeous.
Is the Dolce Baby Naples crib, and that color is called gray satin. It's actually the hottest trend in nursery furniture right now.
Really?
So you can see, I mean, it's timeless, yet it's modern. It has the molding, that very high arch, the bun feet. What's great about this crib is it actually grows with your child.
Sure.
So it's going to be a tremendous value. This converts from this crib to a toddler bed.
Right, so this part will come off and you put a little thing in the
Some
front,
side
right?
rails, right? And then it goes to a day bed.
Love
and
it.
then it goes to a full bed. So that high arch is actually your headboard.
Love
and
it.
this is your footboard.
And you said how much does this cost as is?
$680.
Wow, that's a great value.
Isn't that? And it's going to last. It's
We
really
had
gonna
something
last.
like this for my daughter, and it has her teeth marks from biting on it. But no, it really has been great, and it's her bed now. It's a full size.
Yeah,
so
yeah, so
that's
something
great.
really
I love that,
special.
and it is a nice color.
Yeah, it's a
Very
gorgeous
cool.
color, and you can do so much with a nursery with that color. So
Love
Grow
it.
With Me is a really big trend because it makes one purchase replace multiple purchases.
Sure.
Another really great example is this Poppy high chair from
how
Phil and
cute
Ted.
is that?
It's sleek, it's modern, it's gorgeous. It's not going to take over your entire kitchen or your entire life when you have to clean it. Do you remember cleaning high chairs? Just
yeah.
scrubbing that gunk and
Barely.
the seats. I hated getting everything ground in out of
No
there.
kidding.
Okay, so this is, look how sleek, and this feeding tray goes right in the dishwasher.
Perfect.
Okay, and this seat, seamless, waterproof.
So just wipe it right off.
in the dishwasher too.
This goes in the
This can go,
dishwasher.
if you can hose it off, you can wipe it, goes in
Does
the
this
dishwasher.
come off?
It comes right off, but there's no nooks, there's no crannies for anything to get stuck into. This is AeroCore. It's hypoallergenic, it's very soft as you can feel, it's very cushy, which is great because after high chair days are over, it becomes my chair.
They didn't have any of this when my babies were babies.
Right, right.
This
So
is
this
awesome.
is their toddler chair. It's got a handle. It's under 9 pounds. It's really easy to move from room to room.
goodness.
And again, this is going to last with them. It fits in just about any modern home.
Soft.
It's very light, and it's very easy to store out of sight as well. So we
I
appreciate
love
that.
it.
Yeah, that's
Super,
Phil and
super
Ted's.
cute.
It's a really great company.
And how much is this?
This is $120.
Not bad.
Not bad when you get 2 seats
Absolutely.
for it, right? Okay, so this is the little reader from Piccolino.
Oh, cute.
And this is literally guaranteed by the company to be the best toddler lounge chair in the world.
duh, it's in Cowboys colors.
Literally, yeah. And literally, they will refund your money if you don't
Really?
agree. That's how great of a company this is. So it's got a very wide base to make it stable and not tip over. And you can feel that's premium micro suede.
I was going to say, it almost feels like
It's
Tempur-Pedic
high
type.
density foam, so no bumps or bruises. There's
love
a
it.
carry handle on the back and side pocket
That's
for
so
essentials.
cute.
So we really like that from Piccolino. And also, they've got for great storage these monster bins.
Oh, love it.
Durable canvas. They're so cute. You can put your whoobies, your stuffed animals, your Legos. And they've got a lot of character. They've got rope handles for easy carry or, you know, a hug. If you should
I
choose
love
that.
it. So what are we talking about in terms of prices for these?
Piccolino is very, very affordable, especially for the toddler room. So this is right around under $50.
Oh, great.
And these are right around $30 and under.
And these would be great gifts.
Yeah.
I love
yeah.
this as a gift.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's
so
really
we've got a
great
bunch
for
of
it.
stuff back here too.
All right. So nasal congestion can keep anyone up, but when
yes.
a child is not breathing, nobody
Really
is resting
bad.
and nobody's sleeping. This is the first of its kind on the market, brand new. This is called Clear Rinse, and what it does is actually rinse the nasal passages with saline, and then it sucks all that gunk
So it's
out.
kind of like a baby neti pot.
Yes, exactly.
Because
And
we
it's-
used to have the one that just sucked, but it didn't spray anything.
It didn't, and then you'd have to go in there and juggle the cans of saline or the bottles of saline. So that does it all, and that's what the American Academy of Pediatrics recommends: is saltwater irrigation
Love
and then
that.
aspiration, and it's much easier to keep clean than those manual bulbs.
And cost.
Right under $100.
Perfect. This would be such a great gift
Yes,
for a family.
For a new
Oh
mom.
my goodness.
Yeah, she doesn't know she needs it. Okay.
Love it.
Another must-have for the medicine cabinet. This is True Easy Syringe. Very simple, but what's great about this is it replaces all of these medicine cups and
You guys,
syringes.
and we have like all kinds
They
of
really
these in our
pile up,
cupboards
and
right
you know
now.
what? They're not always that accurate either.
No.
So this is perfectly calibrated. Half a teaspoon, a milliliter, 2 milliliters. You just dial it to the calibration that you want, and then dispense your medicine. And I love the oversized grips. It makes it very, very easy, and it's BPA-free plastic.
Perfect.
So-
Love it. And that's really important. Everyone's talking
Yes.
about that these
Okay.
days.
How often have you heard your kids say, "That was my seat, Mom"?
all the time.
This is My Spot. It's from Vita, and it's just a really neat visual cue for kids to respect each other's space. So they can, you know,
Are you serious?
Yeah, you just set this on your seat, and they'll respect this. Whether
Really?
you recognize the animal or the color, it's got a personalized name area right here. You can write the kid's name. So this is really great for group settings for siblings like mine that are
I think
always
that is
even
hilarious.
Stevens, and even good for timeouts too.
I like the idea
it could
for
be a
a
great
timeout,
timeout
but
spot.
can't you see you teaching your 1-year-old boundaries and spaces? I mean, I guess that's good, but I just think that's hilarious.
You gotta respect the spot. Okay.
All right.
This is gonna blow your mind. So dryer sheets.
Yeah.
Chemicals.
Old news, bad news.
Landfills. This is the way you need to dry your clothes now. This is from EcoNuts, which is, by the way, the greatest company their products, econutsoap.com. It's a really
Okay.
great website to go to, all natural. These are wool dryer balls, okay? So you throw these in with your load instead of dryer sheets, and they cut your drying time by about 10 to 25%.
Now, why is that?
Because they're wool, and as they
Does it
tumble with the
absorb
clothes,
it?
they lift the clothes, and they help fluff everything, and
Oh.
it helps to soften, and it helps to dry much, much faster by getting that air circulating in there. And these are reusable. They're all natural. They're chemical free. It's a
Wow.
great alternative to dryer sheets, and this lasts for years. So you're saving money and energy at the same
I
time.
like that. I
Lots
love
of
all
really
this
good
stuff.
products
Okay,
on
so where can people find all these things? Because this is amazing.
Well, we've just rounded up our first quarter pick of all the best products that we have found for moms, for babies, for kids, anything from furniture to diaper bags to personal essentials and health products and things like that. And we've published that list on bestandhottest.com.
I love it. Okay, so y'all have done all the work for all the new
Yes.
parents who have too many other things to be worried about, right?
Exactly, that's
I
my
love
job.
it. Well, you'll find Barb here every Monday on the broadcast. To get the details from today's segment again, visit us at thebroadcasttv.com and click on today's links. When the broadcast returns, we'll take a look at some of the hottest cars from automakers all around the world. Stick around.